I am Dr. Mary Ann Lay. I'm the owner of Achieve Wellness Chiropractic Center. We're conveniently located on the Baltimore Beltway in Cockeysville. We provide healthy alternatives to surgery and drugs. They're safe, natural, and effective. We find and correct areas of the spine that are not moving well, that are out of balance. We help restore normal function to the spine so that people can live optimal lives. We're different from other chiropractors in a number of ways. One is we provide a holistic approach to health. So we look at the whole person. We have a great success in fixing people or helping people heal. We use our hands since we're chiropractors, and we work with the spine. We have a team approach because we provide massage, therapy, and acupuncture in our facility. So with chiropractic care, you'll be able to do the things that you want to do in your life. You'll be able to work better, recreation better, sleep better, and you'll feel happy.